What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a content idea generator by creating a simple workflow in N8N. Let's get started. In N8N, I've created a workflow that I've renamed to content idea generator. Here, we're going to start by adding a trigger. I'm going to choose a manual trigger over here. So, we'd like to generate content ideas by adding a topic in a spreadsheet. In Google Sheets, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to content idea topics. Here's where we're going to add our topics. Then we're going to generate content ideas, content hooks, cluster, and why the content will go viral from this topic over here. So now to get our topic in our spreadsheet, in our workflow, here, I'll search for Google Sheets and click on Google Sheets. We're going to get our sheet. To do that, you'll first need to create your credential right here and sign in with your Google account. And then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to N8N, and your connection will be created. And then here, close this window. And here we're going to find our spreadsheet, which is a spreadsheet, and the sheet is going to be the content ideas topics. Here, I'll click on execute step right here to get our topic. This is our topic right here. So I rename this node to get content topics and click on rename right here. So now with our topic over here, we're going to set the fields for the topic. So I'll search for the set node right here. And then I'm going to set the fields for the topic right here and click on execute step over here. Here, I rename this node to set topic fields. And then I'll click on rename. Now, with our topic over here, next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to enrich our topic using Tavily. So here, I'll search for Tavily and click on Tavily. Here, you'll need to install it first if you haven't installed it yet. And after installing it, click on the search node right here. Here, you'll need to create your credential to connect your account to N8N. So after creating your account in Tavily, add your API key over here. To get your API key in your dashboard, just copy the API key and come and paste it right here and click on save to create your credential. Then close this window, and here we're going to add our query. I'm going to click on expression, then expand it to add our query over here. Our query could be on the lines of provide current trending discussions, recent news, popular posts, search intent, clusters, related themes, and emerging angles about this topic, include insights from Reddit, X, Quora, and YouTube. Return full snippets only, and then here we're mapping our topic. Now here I'll click on add options, and for the topic, we'll like a general topic. Then I'll also include answers, and this I'm going to choose an advanced summary of the research. And then here I'll click on execute step right here to generate a summary of our enriched topic. You can see our node was executed successfully. So this was our query where we wanted to enrich our topic. Here's our topic right here. And we got an in-depth answer right here. You can see the answer about our topic right here. This is incredible. So we can now use this to generate content ideas from our topic right here. So the next thing that we're going to do here is I'll wait a few seconds. Click on the wait node. We can wait, let's say 3 seconds right here. Then I'll rename this node to wait 3 seconds. Then I'll click on rename right here. Then I'll execute this node over here. Our node was executed successfully. The next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to perform a topic synthesis. To do that, we're going to use an AI tool. So in AI, I'll click on OpenAI and click on the message and model node. Here, you'll need to create your credential to connect your account to N8N. So from your OpenAI API, add the API key over here and click on save to create your credential. Since I have already done that, I'm going to close this and choose our model over here. I'm going to choose GPT 4.1 mini as our model. And here we're going to add the prompt for the system role and the user role over here. Prompt for the system role is on the lines of you're a content research expert. And the prompt for the user role is on the lines of using the following Tavily research findings, create a concise and structured summary for content ideation. Include distilled overview, which will be a short summary of the topic in plain language. Key viral angles should be 3 to 5 angles, unique angles likely to go viral. The subtopic should be relevant ideas people are discussing online. Emotional hooks should be words, phrases, and concepts that grab attention. Content gaps should be opportunities not fully covered by existing content. Evergreen versus trending angles, where we'll clearly separate what is timeless and what is currently viral. Present the output as a compact, well-organized summary, suitable to feed into a content idea generation step. And then here we're mapping our research findings from Tavily. Here, click on execute step right here. You can see our node was executed successfully. And here we generated this content ideation summary from our topic. This is amazing. So here I renamed this node to viral topic synthesis. The next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to use an AI agent to generate our content ideas. So in AI, I'll click on AI agent. Here, I'll choose to define below and add our prompt and our system message over here. The prompt for our AI agent is on the lines of you're an expert content strategist and viral video creator. The system message is on the lines of using the following inputs, generate unique video ideas designed for strong click potential. And here we are mapping the original topic we added to spreadsheet, the research notes that we generated using Tavily, and the topic synthesis that we generated using this node right here. For each video idea, include a hook, a compelling opening or attention-grabbing phrase, an angle, with a unique perspective or approach for the video, target audience, the ideal viewers, who will resonate with the content, and why has the potential to go viral. Should be reasons why this idea is likely to go viral or perform well. And lastly, we're going to add the optional title variations, which will be 1 to 2 alternative clickable titles. Present the output as a numbered list with clear heading for each element, ready to feed into the next automation step. Generate, can say, instead of 10, I can just generate ideas. Here we're telling the agent, you must output only the valid JSON with exactly the following keys: the idea, hook, why it will go viral, and the cluster. Do not include any extra text, explanations, bullet points, or lists. Output must be parsable JSON. Here you're going to require specific output format. Then I'll click on the output parser here. Then I'll click on the structured output parser. And here you're going to add a JSON example of output. So we like to output the idea, hook, why it will go viral, and the cluster over here. Then I'll drag this node at the top right here. I'm going to choose the simple memory over here. I'm going to choose to define below and add our key over here. For the key, I'm going to choose today's date as a key. Then I'll drag this node at the top, and then I'll drag this node at the top right here. The last thing that we're going to add is the chat model. I'm going to choose OpenAI chat model. Here, choose your credential, then choose the model over here. You can choose any of these models over here. Then I'll drag this node at the top right here. Then now, when I open our agent, let us try generating content ideas from our topic. To do that, I'll click on execute step right here. Our node was executed successfully, and we generated ideas from our topic. The idea from our topic is best AI writing tools for 2025. It's incredible. The hook could be unlock your writing potential with AI. Why this idea has a potential to go viral is that this idea taps into the common desire for enhancing productivity in writing tasks, offering viewers practical solutions and time-saving tools. That's amazing. Cluster is best AI writing and editing tools to use in 2025. This is incredible. Our AI agent works perfectly. I rename it to content idea generator. Then the next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to set the fields for output. So I'll search for the set node here and click on it. You're going to start by setting the fields for the idea and the hook, and why it will go viral, and then lastly the cluster. Then I'll click on execute step right here. You can see our node was executed successfully. The next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to now add our ideas to our spreadsheet. To do that, I'll start by waiting a few seconds over here. So I'll click on the wait node over here. Can wait, let's say 2 seconds. And here I rename this node to wait 2 seconds. Click on rename right here, and then I'll execute this node. You can see our node was executed successfully. Now we can proceed and add our ideas to our spreadsheet. So in our spreadsheet, we're going to add the ideas, the hook, cluster, and why it will go viral over here. To add the data over here, I'll search for Google Sheets. And then click on Google Sheets. This time around, I'm going to click on the update row in sheet node. We're going to find our document that I would like to update, which is this document. And the sheet should be the content ideas topics sheet. Here we're going to select the column that we would like to match, choose the topic, and map the topic right here. Then now we can map content idea over here, hook, cluster, and why it will go viral over here. Then I'll click on execute step right here to add our data to our spreadsheet. You can see our node was executed successfully. I rename this node to content ideas sheet and click on rename. Then you can send ourselves a notification that the content ideas have been generated. You can send yourself the notifications either by email, Slack, WhatsApp, or Telegram. In our case, we're going to choose email, so I'll search for Gmail right here and click on Gmail. Then here, click on send a message node. Here, you're going to start by creating a new credential to connect your account to Anytime. To do that, just click on sign in with Google over here. And then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to Anytime, and your connection will be created. Since I had already done that, I'm going to close this window right here. And here, we're going to add our email address, subject line, and the message of the email. The subject line of our email is on the lines of content ideas successfully generated. Email type, we're going to choose text. And the message of our email could be on the lines of what's up. Your latest batch of content ideas has been generated successfully and is now pre-shared for your review. You can access the full set of ideas at your convenience and start planning your next pieces of content. Best regards, content idea generator. Here, I'll click on add options and click on append anytime attribution, and then I'll turn this to off. Then I'll click on execute step right here to send ourselves a notification email. Here, I'll rename this node to send a notification. Then I'll click on rename right here. The last thing that we're going to do here is we're going to complete our workflow. So I'll search for the do nothing node right here and click on it. Then here I'll execute this node to complete our workflow. You can see our node was executed successfully here. So now when I open our spreadsheet, here you can see from our topic, we added this content idea, content hook, cluster, and why we think the idea will go viral over here. This is incredible. So we generated these content ideas using our workflow that we created here in Anytime. Our workflow works perfectly. So we are triggering our workflow and then getting a topic that we'll have added in our spreadsheet over here. And then we are setting the fields for the topic right here using this node. Then we are proceeding to enrich our topic using Tavily with the latest insights and trends. And then we're using the topic and the enriched data to generate a topic synthesis using this tool over here, using this node right here. And then we're using the topic, rich data, and the topic synthesis to generate our content ideas using this AI agent over here. Then we're proceeding to add the content ideas in our spreadsheet, and then we're sending ourselves the notification email that the ideas have been generated successfully. When I open our spreadsheet from our topic over here, we added this content idea, the hook, cluster, and why the idea will go viral right here. Right here, using this workflow that we created right here in Anytime. We can try testing our workflow so we can see how it works. To test our workflow to see how it works in our spreadsheet, I'm going to delete this row and add a new topic over here. The topic is everyday tasks you can automate with AI. Let us try generating content ideas from our topic using our workflow over here. So to do that, I'll click on execute workflow over here. Here, you can see that our workflow was executed successfully. So we added our topic in our spreadsheet and got the topic right here. Here's the topic. Then we're setting the fields for the topic using this node. Then we're enriching our topic using Tavily. And then using the topic and the enriched data to generate a synthesis of our topic using this tool over here, using this node over here. Then we are proceeding to generate content ideas from our topic using this AI agent. And then we're adding the content ideas in our spreadsheet and sending ourselves a notification email that the ideas have been generated successfully via email. When I open our spreadsheet, here you can see the topic that we added in our spreadsheet. And then we updated the topic with the content idea, hook, cluster, and why the idea has the potential to go viral. So this was our idea from our topic. The idea was AI-powered social media scheduling from chaos to control. Here we're also adding a hook, which is on the lines of imagine never needing to worry about posting on social media again. Here's the cluster, AI-powered social media scheduling and content ideation. And here's the reason why it will go viral. The idea taps into the common struggle of managing social media content and offers a solution that promises to save time and effort. This is incredible. In my inbox, you can see the email notification that we are sending ourselves right here after the content ideas have been generated successfully and added to a spreadsheet over here. So we are generating this content idea from our topic and sending ourselves a notification that the content ideas have been generated successfully via email using this workflow that we created right here in Anytime. So Our workflow works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like me to create this workflow for you or a workflow similar to this one, just click the first link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details about the workflow that you'd like me to create for you, and then I'll proceed to create the workflow for you. But if you enjoyed this video and you have an AI agent or a workflow in mind that you'd like me to create using Anychan, just comment it down below in the comment section. I read all the comments, and if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire workflow or AI agent from scratch using Anychan. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.